Given tangent of theta is 9 over 40, and theta is in between pi and 3 pi halves, we want to find cosine of 2 theta. So first of all, thinking of the double angle formula for cosine 2 theta, that is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta, or we've got a couple alternate versions. We could replace this with 1 minus sine squared and get 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, or we could replace this one with 1 minus cosine squared, and then we would get 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. So any of those versions would be fine. Now, if the angle we were given would have just been a cosine, I would have used this third equation. If it would have just been a sine, I would have used the second equation, but it was a tangent, and so it honestly doesn't matter which version of the double angle formula for cosine we use. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a triangle, and I'm going to make it in quadrant 3 because we have thetas between pi and 3 pi halves. I'm going to label it so that the tangent is 9/40. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, but we know in quadrant 3 that both x's and y's are negatives, so those both need negatives on those. Now I could find the hypotenuse by taking 9 squared plus 40 squared and square rooted, and I would find that hypotenuse is 41. So I think I'll just use this version, and I will take cosine, which is adjacent, negative 40 over hypotenuse 41, squared minus sine squared, and sine is opposite, which is negative 9 over hypotenuse, which is 41. All right, now I just need to square negative 40, that's 1600 over 41 squared, and that was 1681. And then I have minus negative 9 squared is 81, and that's over 1681. We should leave our answer in exact form. So we have 1600 minus 81, and that is 1519 over 1681.